Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a pie chart inside the canvas sheets on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a pie chart on your canvas sheets on your mobile phone, just going to show in this video. For that, first of all, just going to select a 2 rows of chart. So first, if you just can't select, click on the any rows first and just select the cell. So you can just have this track option to select the data range. Then after this, you just need to click on the X option on the bottom and click on the element section. After clicking on the element section, you have this option called chart. Click on this or just click on the pie. And here you have this pie and donut chart. You just need to select the pie chart. After selecting the pie chart, here you can just change it to customize the like percentage or number, whatever you just needed, and also the data can be easily customized. And just click here and click here to change the colors. So just going to red here and purple and also some green, so which actually looks great. And then you have other more options to customize the pie chart. You have this called font and text style, font size and colors, and also the transparency can also be customized and adjusted. And you can just resize this pie chart and you can just paste on the your canvas sheets wherever you just need it. This is how we just insert a pie chart on your canvas sheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Maybe Unique. Have a wonderful day.